Yeah.
Oh man, I want to have the donuts in the camera.
Blooper reel.
Hi guys, this is Makindra. I'm going to be going in with a red look. Thank you to everybody who watched my last video and liked it and commented. That was really sweet of all of you guys. I genuinely appreciated it and it made me really happy, it made me feel really good inside. So, without further ado, I am going to get into a red look. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. Just let my creativity flow through the veins, you know. Get that blood boiling, I guess. So after I do this, typically I will just grab like a fluffy brush like this and I'll go on with the powder that I'll use later on to set my under eyes after I've put my concealer and foundation on. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline New York Fit Me powder. This is the, come on. There we go. So I'm gonna go in with this bad boy. I am in shade 120 Classic Ivory. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna take a big chunk on this fluffy brush right here. Come on, focus. All right, so I'm gonna take a buttload. Just gonna pack it in. Nice transition in a way, but also setting it so it's not moving around. Okay, and so after I've got that all set in place, I did it backwards a little bit. Usually I'd go in with my eyebrows, but I guess I'm switching it up a bit. And then I'm going to go into my Milani dark brown. I'm in the shade 5. It looks like this. And then I'm gonna go in with this brush, which has a little spoolie at the end, which is really dirty, so don't judge. All right. What I first do is I usually will brush up my eyebrows. And I'll work from the bottom and work my way up. So after I've done this, a couple times coming through, just gonna dip in a little bit. And then I'm gonna work on the bottom. I'm gonna start towards the middle, right here. And then work my way out. And it's okay if it's not perfect right now because then we're gonna go in with some more concealer and we're gonna clean it all up so it'll be all good. And then after I got that, I will brush my hairs downwards like so, and I will go in with some more. Yes girl, we going dark. In the same process, I'm gonna start in the middle, working my way outwards. What I'm going to do is I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna clean it up. With that same brush from, it just says concealer. Bow. I'm not even gonna try it. Gotchas. Same, this is just a flat concealer brush, come on, like. It's got to be cleaned. Next, I am going to go in with the transition shade. Well, since I got my eyes primed, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with a pink in the crease because I'm gonna go for a red look today. So I'm going to go with the Morphe B35B. There we go. So I'm gonna go in with this pink shade right here. It's really like pinky shade, something like this. I'm going to use the M441 from Morphe. I need to know what kind of looks you guys want me to see. I saw a couple people say that I should do like a sunset look. I'm really bad at those, so maybe that's a good idea so I can start practicing a little bit more, you know? But yeah, what other looks should we be doing? I think I should add a little bit more color. I love playing with color, so like blues and greens and purples. Yes, purples. I think that would be awesome. But let me know what you guys think in the description, or not in the description, in the comment section below. I think I'm going to go in with the red that's right next to it in the 35B. So this color right there. I'm gonna go in with the same brush, the M441. I'm just gonna stamp it in there because I don't want it to go above the pink that I just put in. I just kind of want to stamp it in there a little bit more. I feel like I should be using a different brush, but I'm just gonna wing it. I'm going to grab a more of a flatter brush, and I'm going to keep this one handy because I'm going to do a lot of blending with it. So then I'm going to go in with this M433, and it's not going to be that color. So it's just a dirty brush. I'm going to go in the James Charles palette, and I'm going to take this purple down here in the corner. I think I'm going to start off with that right underneath it, like right in the crease. So I'm gonna take that flat brush, the M433, and I'm gonna pack it on there. With that red color. And I'm gonna mix the pink and the red together that we used in the beginning. And I'm just gonna blend very, very so gently right above it. Concealer, and I'm gonna start cutting the crease. On and then just start dabbing it on. This is why I always go in with my eyeshadow first before I ever go in with my face makeup, because then it just falls down, it gets messy like that. The concealer's everywhere, so I would just suggest to wait and do your eyeballs first. And just start pouncing away, homie. Second one's glued, so right now I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips while I'm at it. I'm aligning them with the NYX Professional Makeup Liner in the color Urban Cafe. I think I'm gonna go in with my Stark Naked from, where are you? Urban Decay. I love the Jaclyn Hill highlight. It's up here, yeah, right there. That's just the bomb snaggle, so that's all I gotta say. So I'm gonna take that pinky shade that we used at the very beginning. My lip barely matches my look.